Si Bruno Mars nag-alis.
Kakanta tayo.
Inalis muna yung cup niya.
Kaya muna.
Maya pa. Sa concert.
Concert na. Habang...
Sa concert na lang.
Nalakoy mo parang...
Ay! Wag! Baka mamaya mahuli ka pa. Baka maiwan ka dito. Last day na pa naman.
I can't believe na uwi na tayo.
Ay, serious naman ni Win.
Huh? Ay? Hello. Malayo ay.
Ayan. Ay, kayo lang pala. Gano'n kalayo. Hey! We're going to the elephant.
It's a video. I think
Yeah.
it's picture.
Ay! Bumalik na ulit yung ano ni Lani, yung Engla.
Wala ba?
Oo, wala eh. Nagbabalik.
Sadaka.
Ay, galing yung accent.
Trendsetter. Alam mo talaga.
True.
Nagsaset ng bar ng ano.
Oo. Ikaw
Alam mo
talaga yung
talaga.
ano. Ikaw talaga yung
Matay.
matini idol.
Standard. Matay.
Oo.
Ililipat ko ang corona kay ano.
Kanina.
Kay
Step. Huh?
Kasi, hindi si Step kasi mahihayin siya. Parang pinipili niya lang yung ano. Yung pinapakita niya yung totoong siya. Parang, alam mo yun, di ba may gano'n? Parang kimi lang siya. Pero pag yung close niya, yung ganyan, yung pinapakita niya yung totoong siya.
May fake na siya.
Hindi yung parang kimi lang
Other
siya.
side.
Oo, yun.
Other side of the road.
Last day.
Chiang Mai University. Oo. Last day natin. Bakit di tayo mag-university? Tsaka. Sa South Korea, no? Ang ganda ng mga university. Ginagawang ano din, tourist spot. Diba? Pinupuntahan din talaga nila.
Yung Chiang Kai-shek.
Ano yan?
Yung Chiang Kai-shek.
Saan
Nandun
yan?
lang pala yun.
Saan?
Sa Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Napunta na natin yun, di ba?
Ay, yung university?
Oo.
Hindi yung ano, hall.
Yung kila ano? Yung kila
Sunshine.
Damacy. Yeah.
Hmm.
Napuntahan ba natin yun?
Hindi, nandun lang pala siya within ano. Parang nag-tour bus tayo, diba?
Oo.
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 Nadaanan
Nadadaanan
natin.
din.
Hindi naman natin alam na
sa
yun.
lugar na yun.
Ano?
Pumunta tayo.
Ang ganda dun, no?
Hindi lang natin nakita yung school.
Nga maging friend sa FB. Inad niya, girl.
Ay!
Sabi ko, ano, buti na ano ko pa. Nag-ano yun, parang nag-like ka sa mga picture, di ba?
Oo.
Transfer lang ano.
Hindi pwede
Meron.
yung card. Yung
Ay,
Gcash card. May
Ay, wala
Gcash
akong
card ka ba?
Sino?
Ganda mo naman, girl. Bagay yung
Dati naman ba yun sinasabi mo sa akin? Alam mo hindi sa akin daw.
Ikaw na. Adi. Ikaw nga mag-video, Kel.
videographer pa ko. Ito girl, 690.
Feeling ko,
Feed nila. Ayan lang ka.
feeling ko kasi ano, sa mata, kasi hindi siya dito.
Mura. Ito 690.
Sawali ka.
No, like,
Cut. Stop na ba?
Just 5 minutes from here.
Ayan. Mag-picture tayo dito.
Excuse me. Yes. Is transport included here?
Free water. Free water?
Transport.
No, wait.
Can. That's okay.
I'll give. 690.
Sa'yo ay 310 na may Kel.
Thai number?
This 310.
Wait, yung Thai number mo.
Mine is 310. So, total 110. 110, nag-tip ka na naman. 105 lang. Ay, hindi. Joke lang. May utang pa kami sa'yo, Lani girl. Yung pala temple, oh.
Girl, baka naman pautangin mo ako.
Girl, wag mo siyang pilitin malungkot. Ano to?
Pagkain lang, may na yun.
Saan yung sinasabi niya? Na ano? Right sa try yan eh. Food, drink inside.
Ay, di na.
Outfit. Outfit niya pa uwi. Parang ang dami mong ano, so damit na dala. Hindi naman. Hindi na.
Magagawin ka pa, girl.
Magagahon ka pa. Grabe naman. Ang bongga naman. Ang bongga naman, may parad carpet ba pag uwi? Ay, ito oh. Oh, baka tig sa 10 lang to. Baka 10 lang. Baka 10 lang. Uy, oh. Ayan, oh, taray. Parang pichi-pichi sa atin. Ito. Parang mga pichi-pichi. Parang kakanin. Tingnan pa natin, baka meron pa. Hi! What's this one?
Chicken.
Chocolate.
No.
Ah, chicken?
Para siyang ano, punigiri.
Oh, chicken with rice.
Chicken rice.
Yeah.
Bakit
Thank
ka ba
you.
Bakit ka ba uwi na ganun yung isang subo lang?
Ihag natin kay Duo.
Tara, lakad na. Thank you. Good. Bye-bye. I'll go back. Thank you.
Sa akin naman, walang makakapit lagi mo ka. Ay, ikaw yung mga ganun.
Gusto ko ito mo ba sa akin daw to?
Like we're in we're in a 5-star Michelin. Pack up na. Girls, pack up na. Kapkong ka. Sa Luneta. Hey, we're going to the elephant jungle. Oh, friend. Oh, grabe si girl. Parang may ring light.
Oo. Manyek.
1 year ka. Ay, grabe siya. Ay, grabe. Pag 6'9", ano? Kaya nga.
Kumbaga parang ito yung ka-Disney na.
Ano talaga yung...
Mix zero. Ay, yung mga jeep. Ayun siya, oh. Yung daming kalapate. Kita mo? Parang mahabang gate na yan. dito. Wala yung mga ano, kakaibang structures na gano'n. Kaya pala iba pala siya. Kaya pala iba pala tong isa. Oo nga eh. Siyempre hindi nila tayo kakausapin kasi mga ano sila. True. Okay lang. Oo. Ginano niya. Kaya pala parang ano, tahimik lang yung isa. Hindi pala siya kasama. Kala ko magkakasama sila. Busy.
Tingnan mo.
Nakita ko na girl.
Wala.
Kaya sana, ano ba yun?
Kasi,
Ang bagal eh. Wala eh. Hindi mo ito na mai-impersonate. Sila ni.
ano may impersonate sila.
Hindi kaya ni Will. Hindi kaya ni Will eh. Yung gumagalaw yung yung kaya siya. Yung gumagalaw yung mata doon sa tato. Yung naglilipat-lipat yung mata sa tato.
Sabi ni Sunod, mamalat. Isasunod ang manyek.
Parang horror. Oh, may panglaban tayo. Sa sa Inglahan.
Si Linisha. Oo, manyek.
Si Lenny. Si Lenny. Ayo, wala pa. Siguro baka by March pa. Sabi kasi pag mainit na yung panahon, tsaka sila nagsisimula.
Mag-tour.
Hindi yung burning season.
Sa...
Parang end of Feb to ano. Ganyan. Hanggang March, April. Yun yung mga burning season. Yung mausok dito. Parang mas sinusunog na nila yung mga tsaa. Hindi kasi di ba mga plantation pa sila dito. Baka para sa another ano. Oo. Ano kaya yun? Tingnan mo oh. Galing. Parang mayroon siyang parang resort. Grand Canyon Water Park. Ayun oh. Parang may mga bato-bato. Nakita ko ang parang ang lalim. Ayun natin naman. Wow! Ayun na! Wow! Cute! Parang man-made lang, no? Grand Canyon. Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Yay! We're going to
Madami bang elephant dito? Okay, find your height.
follow the leader.
Ano yung mga mingil ka?
Oy, naririnig sa video.
Everybody, so we have the locker. If anybody would like to keep your stuff in the locker, it's free. Okay? But if you want to carry your bag, it's up to you. Okay. Alright, and after you put your stuff in the locker, everybody, I want everybody to wash your hands. Okay, don't go.
Naliligo.
Okay, the reason I say Camp 7 because we have 7 locations in Chiang Mai. Okay, this is the feeding area. Okay, but we have another 6 location. It's about 1.5 hour away. Okay, but we not only have in Chiang Mai, still have sanctuary in Pattaya, Phuket, and Koh Samui. Okay, in total more than 120 elephants under care now. Okay, but today you'll be meeting with our 6 elephants. Okay, we have 6 elephants on this location. Okay, and we are going to feed them and spend time with them maximum 1 hour. Okay, so every time when you get to elephant, when you stay with them, everybody has to always stand in front of elephant. Okay, always stand in front of elephant because of elephant only can see from the side like this. They cannot see like human. They cannot see anything behind them. They cannot see anything below them. If they hear something is moving, but they don't see, that's gonna scare elephant and make them nervous. They always stand in front to let them see you, okay? And when you feed them, so we have a basket of watermelon. Okay, so when you feed them, give them one by one. Okay, one at a time. You don't give them a lot. Okay, because of, even though elephants love people, but I'm not gonna lie, they love food. Okay, they love food more. Whenever food finish, your friendship is over. Okay, so one at a time will be better, alright? And only allow you, okay, don't teach them by taking things back and forth like this. Don't moving forward like this. Okay, and don't throw food to elephant. Okay, and one thing that I would like to warn you, when you're taking video or photo, okay, you don't hold food too long without feeding. Some people do this, and elephant might be upset and they will walk away. Okay, so give them some food, okay? And everybody about touch elephant. Okay, if you wanna pet them, you can pet at their trunk. Okay, their trunk here, okay, but don't touch the ear. Okay, and I will show you again how to pet them inside, okay? So everybody about taking photo and video. Okay, you can take as much as you want, but make sure that your flash is off, no flash. Okay, no flash, okay? And if somebody need help about taking photo or any question about elephant, okay, my name is Nana. Okay, so I'm gonna be your tour guide. Any question about elephant, any help, okay, you can ask me. Alright, I forgot to tell you one thing. We have 6 elephants, right? But we're gonna be feeding only 4. Okay, another 2, we still not allow people to touch. Because of its mama and newborn baby. She is nearly 1 month old, very tiny. Okay, we still not allowed to touch, but you will be able to see them. Okay, don't worry. Okay, everybody. So if you're ready, okay, we're gonna go.
Ayan lang pala eh. Ako mukhang ito nga yung mga medyo hindi katabaan. Charot. Yung kailangan ng food. Malaki. Oh, wow.
Everybody, this way, please. Okay, stand right here.
Wow.
Let me introduce the first one. Okay, her name is Shosho.
Shosho.
Shosho is about 36 years old. And this one, not you. Okay, this one Lucky. Lucky is 4.
4.
Okay, and then one child. 27. Okay. And the last
27.
Nuna is 6 years old. Okay, so when you feed them, okay, different between big and small one. So the big one you can put like this. Okay, but the baby what's wrong is small. Okay, like this. Okay, the baby put under here.
Ah,
Here.
okay.
So everybody, now we have two baskets. Every day.
No more. Wow. Sabi nila, ala, ubos na. Bye.
Often are eating that trunk, we don't touch that trunk too much. Okay, and when they are eating grass, you have to be careful because of they like to smack the grass. Cut my foot. Okay, every day.
Okay.
Now, all right, so I will take you inside.
Awen.
Iwan mo na namin yung water doon. Iwan mo na lang. Ah, ayan sila. May hat sila.
Ganyan tayo pa-picture namin.
Kasi si Mami, kasi baka mamaya bawian ako dun sa...
Hindi ah. Wala namang ganon.
Kasi wala namang ganun. Kasi ikaw
Kaya
naman yung
nga.
ilong lang
Don't
yung
overthink.
Lahat tayo gusto natin maka-achieve. Malaway ka. Ayan, pa-picture tayong apat dyan mamaya. Natawa lang ako na maganda yung angulo ko pero wala akong pinapakain.
Show you how to get to them while
Okay.
they're eating. Okay, we're waiting for the grass. Okay, so now elephant gonna be eating grass. If you wanna get to them, okay, you can come. You can come to the side like this.
Okay.
You're able to touch like this, but don't lean your body.
Mm.
Okay, like this is okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna let you spend time with elephant. And to elephant up there, if you see, you also can visit. Okay, but no touch.
Okay.
Okay, take your time.
Thank you, Kapang Kang.
Yeah, and
1 month.
another 16
16.
already have baby.
Oh.
16.
Up to how?
Don't have boyfriend. He
Oh,
can't.
He go? Oh
It's a
no.
nature of elephant. They don't stay together.
Ah,
that's tragic.
no partners.
Sister mama.
Mm. What's their lifespan?
Like 80 years, 90 years.
Oh, 80 years. Still 80 years?
They
Wow.
live very long. No work, no stress, no family.
Yeah, I want to be an elephant.
Sabi niya, ang elephant lang din nagstay sa relationship.
Okay, everybody step back. Now when the baby comes close, you have to step back. Because the mama is
The mama is protective. Ah, so the mama. Lulu. Is it a girl?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Lulu, ma.
Lulu.
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 The sound.
Hi. Ah, it's afraid of the sound. Oh.
Si Erwin naglulo.
Cute. And they live up to 80 years
80.
old.
80?
Wow. Yes, up
Wow.
to 80. Like humans. They only eat and drink.
And they don't even exercise.
Aw.
Just kidding.
Papaligid ng ano.
They don't
Sila sa ilog
exercise.
ng, so may iba pang ano.
May iba pang sites.
May iba pa dun.
Mama.
Though you see the baby very tiny, but
Yeah.
100 kilograms.
Oh, this baby is 100?
Yeah, because of 2 years in mom tummy.
Ah.
Eat.
Wow.
I think she's gonna be like very light, but yesterday she pushed me and I fall.
Oh my god. Really? What about the mommy?
The mommy is about 2.8 ton.
Huh?
Wow.
But 2.8 ton very small. Okay. The one that I worked with before I came here, every elephant. So
Yeah.
Ah,
They eat
20
a lot.
hours eating.
20 hours eating.
Eat and sleep.
Yeah.
And
20 hours eating, so they sleep 4 hours.
not straight for hour. They take a nap. And then hungry.
Yeah.
Cannot sleep too long because hungry.
Oh, okay.
But for the domestic elephant, the born in captivity, we have food control that 60% have to be fiber because the fiber they get the protein. 1 year old.
Ah, 81 in Phuket.
Phuket, very healthy and slap every tourist.
Really?
She's grumpy grandma. We love
A
her.
grumpy one.
Yeah, when she don't get what she wants, she slap tourists. You know, like just like my grandma. And she had broccoli.
Oh, broccoli. That's
She hated it. I don't know why. She had broccoli. She had the cauliflower.
cauliflower.
To live longer.
And she would grab and throw on people.ไปเล่นน้ำปะ All right, everybody.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so make the way.
They'll swim. The elephants will swim.
Pag may chance, picture naman.
Hello? Hala, si kasama ni Grant. Hala, baka mamaya masampal ako niyan. Hala, uy.
Papantit na tayo.
Talagang inaano yung, uy, hindi magaling dun. Magaling sila ni mag-picture. Ito talas. Kaya nga. Galing sila ni. Kukuhanin niya lang yung ano, yung hat ni Kel. Kasi nainis na siya. Akahayo.
Overthinker si Kel talaga. Kasi pinitsura niya akong ano.
Ay! Wow! Ay! Naligo na sila sa chocolate. Heat stroke. Oh, nai-heat stroke pala sila pag sobrang init. Nagtago na siya sa loob.
Sila kaya lumublob.
Nagtago na siya sa ano. Wow! Hindi, na-enjoy sila sa ilalim. Yes. This is their river.
Kulay chocolate.
Hindi, mas malayo ata yun. Parang, di ba, 1 hour away pa. Yung ibang site. Hindi, ibang site na yun.
Yung mga 1.5 hour.
Oo.
I have to.
Half day tour.
They have 7 sites. So, for that package, it's different.
Different area.
Feeling ko dun yung kila Joanne, yung friend ko. Yung 190 nung ano din. Mas pinakagdaan nila. Hindi naman din kasi natin alam to. Pero, at least naka-elephant ka.
Pero mga puti talaga. Walang ka-arte-arte. Hindi mainitin. May sunscreen kanina.
Wala naman silang pakailam sa ano nila.
Hindi nga sila naliligo.
Yung tayo nila eh.
Yung talaga yung nakita mo? Oo nga, no?
Ay, nag-enjoy.
Swimming.
Nag-enjoy siya.
Yung sisid.
Sana all, walang stress. Stress-free.
Oo, sabi niya, oo.
Stress-free.
Oy.
Oh, bitsit eh.
Ay, tinawag na siya. Ang galing tinawag na sila nung nanay nila, oh. Nanay nila. I mean the oldest. Sabi, tara na, ako na.
Kaya pala nag-ano siya dito.
Oo.
Siling-siling ng buhay.
Oo, alam nila, ang galing. Alam nilang tapos na yung bath time. Kumain muna siya, sabi niya.
Bibigyan yun sa ano.
Kumain muna ng ano dahon. Is hungry?
Ano, ikaw muna, ikaw muna.
Ah, sige.
Gusto mo landscape? Ako pag sa akin mo. Ah, video sa'yo?
Naka-on na yun. Dito ka din, parang
Yan. More.
Kahit ako photo lang lang.
Ala ka ba?
Ah, sige, photo tayo. Photo.
Ay, kay ka to. Teka lang. Ay, si Kel din daw.
Kahit photo lang.
Okay.
Muna pala. Ay, sige.
Is done. You can go back to the building, wash your hands. Then the wristband on your hand. You can exchange one free soft drink.
Lucky!
Kinakain ba niya? Parang hinuhulog niya lang.
Are you eating? Oo.
Tapos ganun. Lucky.
Oh, one only. One by one.
No, eat first.
No. Later. Iniipon niya. Iniipon niya. Ay, pagod na siya. Ala, nagtampo tuloy. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye! Oops! Wow! Bye-bye! Nasaan yung mga ano, damit-damit? Doon yata. Ay, yung mga damit-damit. Doon sa kabilang side.
Marvin. I'm so happy. Mahali. Hali.
Ano kayo magpahal? Lang din pa. Uli.
Huwag na dyan. Marami ng option dito sa street. Ang mahal. Ang mahal. Hindi naman masarap.
Mahal to. Mahal to.
Doon pa sa ano. Doon pa sa may diretso. Mahal. 450. Mahal? 450? Overall. Mukhang sa food lang tayo pupunta nito. Water? Pwede pang bata. Pero mahal din. Kaya nga. 250 ito. Pero ang pangit. Ang daming comment dun sa ano video tuloy. Ang puro pangit. Ay, ito sana yung mga ganito pang office. Kaya lang mahal siya. Ano yung live selling? Wala bang ano, nakasale? Kaya nga eh. Mamahal. Wala ba yung ano lang, Moraita? Ayun yung mga pambata. Oo. Wala sa Warurot yata talaga yung pinakamura.
Gusto ano sa market? Okay din namin.
Sa ano, Sarn? Ah, mahal din doon. 200 yung ganito doon. Doble yung price.
Ang ganda ng kulay.
Nga eh. Ito na yung hinahanap mo, Win.
1,000.
Yung mga pang ano, office. 1,000 ba? Ito, 290 oh. Ay, oo nga. Not bad. O, 600 lang. Parang wala nito sa Pinas, yung ganito. Kabilang ko nga yung asawa ko na to. Parang Chinese collar style.
Parang Uniqlo style. Ito parang may ganito kulay sa Uniqlo girl.
Ang ganda ng kulay niyan.
Paborito ko ganito
Ang ganda. This is medium. Ah, sakto to. Medium. Pero maganda rin tong
Legit. It's cute.
290.
Dito lang ako sa kabila.
Kaso wala silang pang ano, yung payment. Chinese collar or ang cute naman ito. All hats.
Wala ka pa girl.
Ha? Cal. Again.
Rose. Sige na.
Ito naman itong may alpan.
First beach.
Parang Pinoy lang yung nandun. Parang ano siya, painting. Paint siya.
Small.
Small 250.
Pang display,
Painting.
ibili ka na lang ng ano.
Good, good. Oo. Pag naikot natin to, eto mga pambata.
Sana mura.
Sana mura.
Sana pasok sa budget.
Ay, ito cute. Ano yung may mga ano, polo. Ika lang. Sige. Ito muna tayo.
Init.
Sofa. Kel, pwede mo bang picture dito?
Of course.
Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman. Ay, ang fresh. Fresh pa sa flowers. Which way? Which one? Hanip ko muna ang angulo mo, then I'll take. Mga ano lang, small size lang. Para tikim lang talaga. Ito, may iba pa dito. Ito, yung mga ano. Ito, ang cute. Ano kaya to? Grilled sticky rice dip in egg. Sticky rice. Ito pa, win, sticky rice.
Beautiful.
Banana. Pumpkin custard. May tea, iba-iba. Buko. Chrysanthemum. Ano yun? Lemongrass. Longan juice. Lemon iced tea and rosal. Parang gusto ko ng isa. Ang daming ice. 20 baht. This three. Para siyang ano, sago herbal flour, no meat. Pwede rin. Pero kakaiba. Tignan natin paano gawin. Ah, okay. Ayun, sago with sweet filling.
Pwede na pala nag sa TikTok. Bakit?
Hindi siya lang free.
Talaga?
Mga binigyan siya ng
Huh?
auto pa. Pakita niya sa
Ha? Hindi pa. Pinapanood pa lang namin. Parang ang sarap eh. Ang bango. We're at the airport. Now, Sigal. We're having, yes, coffee. Wings.
Sila nilang dito.
Sarap win. Nagulat. Wow, pwede na pang commercial. How about you, Cal? Kahit inaantok na. Yung